Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will complete exercise 7 of the ICT Level 1 exam preparation worksheet. This exercise is about activities, group sizes, and cost per person. We'll be calculating the total incomes. We'll start by replacing hill walking with Redlands Bay. Select the cell B6 and type Redlands Bay in it. We to organize activities in alphabetical order, calculate the incomes, and create a chart to visualize the incomes. Firstly, let's resize the columns to organize the data properly, then we'll add borders around the data as usual and format the top row in gray. Next, we'll insert a filter into the table. Select the entire table, go to the Home tab, and choose Sort and Filter, then apply the filter and sort the activities alphabetically. Once this is done, we need to calculate the incomes. We'll use a simple formula, group size multiplied by the price per person. Let's begin by entering the formula, equals, then select the group size, multiply it by the price per person, and press enter. It's helpful to add a note with this formula so that anyone reviewing the spreadsheet will understand it. Since both columns E and F involve monetary values, we'll format them using the accounting format. After that, we'll drag the formula down to apply it to all rows. We'll use AutoSum to calculate the total income. If the selection isn't correct, simply reselect the data with your mouse and press enter. Now, let's create a graph for the activity incomes. We'll select the column B, hold the Control button, and then select column F. To generate the graph in a separate sheet, press F11, and there you have it, a well-formatted graph. You can customize the colors and settings as we've done in previous exercises. Keep playing with the formatting to make your graph easy to read, then rename the Chart tab and move it after E7. There you go. Good stuff here. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.